Do you want a simple and effective way to keep kids learning at home? Hi, I'm Dr. Samantha Hayes, educator, parent, and founder of Beyond the Screen Families, and I'm excited to share with you S&S's Take-Home Reading Bags. These bags give students meaningful opportunities to read and explore at home to help reinforce skills, prevent learning loss, and build confidence. Each bag includes 5 to 10 carefully curated books from multiple publishers, exposing kids to a wide range of text structures, voices, and formats, which helps build stronger comprehension and engagement. These bags are available across multiple subjects: literacy, math, STEAM, financial literacy, and cross-curricular, so there's something for every learner. You'll also find caregiver notes in both English and Spanish, reflection questions to deepen understanding, and even a journal and pencil to encourage writing and retention. What I love most is that these bags give kids tools to learn independently, accelerate their learning, and develop a genuine love for reading. They're simple, effective ways to engage families and keep learning going wherever kids are.